So let's just hope for the best and start doing this. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, computers, cases, tablets, and really just so much more. But anyway folks, in this video we're going to be unboxing this massive box right here. Inside is the Philips Hue Festavia Smart Christmas Light. So now I'm super duper excited to get this product out of the box because, believe it or not, I've actually wanted Philips Hue to make smart Christmas lights for several years now because I'm just a huge fan of Philips Hue, and actually practically every single light in my apartment is actually Philips Hue. So I got a gradient light strip over there behind the couch. I got light bulbs in the ceiling. They're smart A19 light bulbs. Got a gradient light strip under my kitchen counter too. I've got some play bars over on my desk. I've just got a lot of Philips Hue in my apartment and I love it. So all of that, folks, combined with the fact that I just love Christmas and decorating for Christmas, makes this really the perfect product for me. So without further ado, let's start getting these guys out of the box. Here we go. So folks, here we are up close and personal with this box. As you can see on the front, it says Philips Hue, white in color ambiance, gradient Festavia string lights with 250 LEDs. We've got a giant picture of them right here. They work with Bluetooth and they also work over Wi-Fi as well. They're for indoor use only. Smart light for every celebration, works with Alexa, works with the Google Assistant, and over on the back right here we have some more pictures of these lights in action. Also, if you're wondering how long these lights are, over here it says that they are, guess what, 65 feet long. Last but not least, folks, over here on this side of the box we've got a huge picture of them on a Christmas tree looking super beautiful. And now that we've seen what the box looks like, let's just go ahead and pop it open right here. So we can go ahead and do just that, pop it right like that, and then we can put it down and voila, check it out. I see some Christmas lights. It looks like we have some paperwork. Ooh, a cable for powering these lights. Just look at this, guys, this massive string of lights right here. It looks like we've got one end of the string right here. Since the Festavia ends with a light rather than a plug on the end, unfortunately you can't plug more Festavia strings into the original Festavia string. You're gonna have to plug each one into the wall directly, but thankfully this is a very long string at 65 feet. Actually, let's check out the plug right here on the inside. Let's see if we can pull this out. You're gonna wanna plug this big old brick right here into this. You're gonna wanna line up these ends right here and then push them in, and then you're going to want to go ahead and twist these together so it is nice and tight. And then, folks, you are ready to plug your Festavia into the wall right here with this admittedly quite large, actually two quite large power bricks right there. So that is a bit kind of, at least in my mind, unnecessary. Would be nice if they could just plug straight into the wall like normal Christmas lights. But I mean, I guess I do understand these are smart Christmas lights, so is what it is. So now, folks, I've got the Philips Hue Festavia right here all nice and unfurled out of the box, and as you can see, I also couldn't help myself and set them up in the Philips Hue app and plug them in so they're all ready to go and put on my Christmas tree right here. This is a 4 to 5 foot Fraser fir, if you are wondering. Smells very good. But yeah, before I put on the Christmas tree, let me just give you guys a sneak peek of what these look like. So I can tap on the lights right here. I named them Christmas tree because that does make sense. That's where they're going to go, and I can change them around to different colors. As you can see, you can do up to 3 colors at once. So let me do purple, green, and I don't know, how about red? Maybe some red right there. And wow, these look so beautiful. I can't wait to see what they look like on the tree. But how about we do just green and red right there? We can do Christmas colors. And wow, this looks so, so nice. Guys, I'm gonna stop playing with these. Let's put them on the tree right here. One thing I will note though is I'm pretty worried about getting the string tangled since it is 65 feet long and I already kind of did start getting it tangled. So let's just hope for the best and start doing this. now folks, as you can see, my Christmas tree here is covered in these awesome Festavia lights right here. And as you'll notice from when I was putting these on the tree, 65 feet, that probably is a bit long for a 4 to 5 foot tree of this size. I still made it work, as you guys can tell, but definitely you should, at least from what I just experienced here, you should be able to fit one Festavia string on a tree that is, you know, much bigger as well. So that's definitely good news. Like as you guys saw there, as I was finishing up on the top with the string, I was trying to really clump as much lights as I could up there, so all of it is utilized. And I feel like I probably didn't make it as dense with lights on the bottom, so I was kind of trying to, you know, maybe disperse them a bit more after I put the lights on the tree right here. But overall, folks, I'm really impressed with these lights right here, and all I've done is just kind of put them on the tree. I haven't even played with them yet. So let's start doing that right here. So right now we've got, you know, green and red, but let's try some other colors. So maybe I'll do purple, and maybe I'll do pink, and maybe I'll do one that's blue. And wow, that sort of looks like the pictures of the Festavia on the box right there. That looks super pretty. Maybe I can bring one of these purples, maybe I could bring that around here, make it red. Ooh, now on the bottom it's kind of pink. I don't know if you guys can pick that up, but maybe I'll make it green right here. Now the bottom's green, so I guess this one right here is the bottom. This one, this must be the middle. Yeah, it's the middle. We can make this yellow, and ooh, that's a cool combination there too. How about we do blue, and how about we do red, and maybe we can do white as well. I just really like these lights, guys, if you couldn't already tell. But you know, now let's play around with some different scenes in the Hue app and see how they change the Festavia lights on my tree here. And as you guys can tell from the list of all the different lights I have here, it's also going to change all my Hue lights. So we can tap here on Color Burst, and that looks pretty cool. And all the Hue lights around me also change to fit in. That's a very nice vibe right there. How about Magneto right here? Wow, that also looks pretty cool. I mean, I don't think you can really do a bad color combination on these lights right here. Maybe Tropical Twilight? Ooh, that's sort of like a sunset. That's kind of nice. How about Fairfax right there? That's pretty cool, red and blue. We can do, how about Christmas? I made this one myself. It's a red and green. That's pretty cool. Definitely suits this tree well. How about Tokyo right here? This is another Hue scene, and yeah, I think this one looks really nice because it really takes advantage of a bunch of different colors on this tree, as well as, you know, and all the Hue lights surrounding me as well. But guys, if we want to be boring, we can also make the Christmas tree just white. So let's make it a shade of warm white light right there. If you want to be kind of classy, kind of, you know, plain, you can do that too. But if you want to have a little bit of fun, Color Burst. Plain. And if you're the type of person who also likes cool white Christmas lights, you can even do that. We can switch it to the concentrate color right here, and now they're sort of like a snowy white. Where's Energize? I feel like Energize is a bit more bluer. We can do this, and now it's really snowy white right there. Or how about Relax? That's a very warm shade of white, almost like yellowish and orangish. This one is kind of nice. I would put it maybe on this before I go to bed or something to, you know, calm down and relax. I guess that's why it's called Relax. How about Nightlight? Use your Christmas lights as a nightlight. That's pretty fun right there. And last but not least, we can also try it with, ooh, Spring Blossom. I haven't done that one yet. Wow, now it is really pink. If you guys like the color pink, you can definitely do that with these lights. But now to end this video, folks, I think I'll put it on read right here. This is usually the setting that I have my Hue lights on when I'm just kind of doing normal stuff. This is the normal light color I like to use. But anyway, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about these beautiful Philips Hue Festavia lights right here. As I've said multiple times in this video, I am a huge fan of these Christmas lights right here and Philips Hue in general. After all, I actually did do an internship with them over the summer as a product marketing intern, so clearly I'm a big fan of what they've got going on right here. But with that, folks, if you want the Philips Hue Festavia for yourselves, they will set you back about $160, so they are definitely on the more expensive side of Christmas lights. But once again, I'm happy with my purchase of these lights right here, but definitely feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of the Philips Hue Festavia. Do you love them? Do you hate them? Do you have them for yourselves? Let me know, because I do read all the comments, by the way. And if you enjoyed this video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.